You are driving along and suddenly that glowing check engine light catches your eye, and maybe you even notice a faint scent of raw gasoline wafting around the cabin or a slight drop in your fuel economy. These are classic signs that your car has triggered a P0458 code, which means the OBD2 system has detected a low voltage condition in the evaporative emission system purge control valve circuit. This system is incredibly important for the environment and your car's efficiency because it traps fuel vapors in a charcoal canister instead of letting them escape into the atmosphere. Under normal conditions, your PCM or EACM acts like a conductor, opening the purge valve at just the right moment to let those trapped vapors be sucked into the intake manifold to be burned off during combustion. When the computer sees a voltage that is lower than expected on this circuit, it knows the valve cannot do its job properly. This issue is quite common on many vehicles, especially those from brands like Subaru and Ford, and it usually points toward a faulty solenoid or a wiring problem. You should start your diagnosis by looking for any technical service bulletins or TSBs for your specific year and model, as manufacturers sometimes release software updates or improved parts for known issues. Once you pop the hood, give the engine wiring harness a thorough visual inspection, looking for any pinched wires or loose connectors that might be vibrating during your drive. The purge valve is typically energized by the battery, and then pulsed on and off by the computer. So you will want to use your DVOM to verify that you have full battery voltage at the power side of the solenoid with the key in the on position. If you find that the voltage is missing, you may have a blown fuse or a broken wire further up the line. You can also test the solenoid itself by checking its internal resistance and comparing it to the factory specifications. If the resistance is 0 or incredibly low, the solenoid has an internal short and is likely pulling the voltage down, which is exactly why the computer is complaining. Taking the time to clean the connectors with a dedicated electronic cleaner can also work wonders, as even a tiny bit of resistance from dirt can trigger these sensitive codes.